So let's fix your Pinterest board. I think I might know how to keep AI off of Pinterest homepage. So if you'll follow along with me, maybe it'll fix your board too. A lot of people have been complaining about AI and access on their Pinterest feed. But when I look at mine, as you can see here, you don't really see that. There's like maybe one generated image. And I think a lot of that has to do with how the algorithm from Pinterest works for curating your page. So I try to keep it clean of trash if I can. So let's go over what I think I know about Pinterest algorithm. I'll use AI images for an example, because this is how I learned how to spot AI in general. When you type in Niji Journey woman, we get a bunch of images of just that, AI. Part of the algorithm is told that you search this, so it wants you to see more of it, right? I think that this is just one part of how it works. I feel like this is the lesser of curating your page. Clicks don't really get you to seeing it more often on your feed. It's literally the act of pinning it. So if you like an image, but you don't want it in your pins or to show up in your pins, you save it on your hard drive or whatever you save your extra images to. So first off, check all of your pins, and I mean all of the pins, for generated content. I didn't say it was going to be easy to fix your Pinterest board if it has tons of AI images on it now. So let's look over my Pinterest boards. I sort them by what you see here, these categories. I think having a lot of different boards is why I don't get AI images. So I know that you'll hate me, but just sort them into different categories, separate them by couples and sexes and time frames, and separate them by what they actually are going to be used for. Okay, so I have like an expression one, I have one for hair, I have one for lighting, all different kinds. I have so many different board categories that I think AI is just shut out from my homepage. Thirdly, I go once a day to check my Pinterest. Not all of us need to do it, but I do. I think if you're trying to fix your Pinterest board, this might help. I go there once a day, put new images in a few of my boards. As an example, my newest board is for animal references. So you can see, like in my home feed, there's a few animals based off the animals I put in my Pinterest board for animals. Now, I think this also might help. I don't know if it does, but I use it all the time. It's Pinterest add-on for Firefox called Pinterest Save Button. But keep in mind that every time you use it, that pin could be removed possibly. I use it all the time on stock sites, and I've used it on some other websites. So I don't know, but I've had my pins removed because I've pinned something off of DeviantArt or off of some other website, and it just gets taken down. Lastly, you need to put in that AI generated pins are not relevant to you. This has been more helpful than hurtful on my boards. So, quick overview. How to fix your Pinterest board. 1. Check all the pins for generated content and remove them. 2. Create more category boards. Separate them by types of references from other references. 3. Until your board is fixed, go pin new images a day until your homepage is filled with the stuff you want. 4. Get Pinterest Save Button. Pin stuff off-site. Like, I tend to pin shops, so when they show you ads, I pin the ads because the ads will get into my algorithm as well. So they're making it full of stuff I want to see. 5, say AI images are not relevant to you when you see them on your page. And that's it. I hope this helps. I didn't really see anyone talk about fixing their boards on Pinterest. I'll also do another tutorial this week, but I want to know if this helps you at all or if you intend to do this. But yeah. So if you want to see another video, if you want to know why your art probably sucks, feel free to go look at that video about it. I think I have some good advice for some people who might think that their art sucks and they don't know why because, well, I'm like you guys. So see you in the next one, guys. Have a good weekend.